Hey there folks, do you know what this is? Well, it's actually a product called Foamlite. It's made by this company called Röchling, and it's a 100% polypropylene board. And the way they manufacture it, there's like lots of little tiny holes in between like these two solid surfaces, which makes it extremely light and quite durable. Is actually a great moisture resistant alternative to plywood. Now let me show you something. We've actually got two sheets of the 6mm white and two sheets of the 12mm black. These sheets come in 5 by 10, and we're going to be using them for inside the camper, for countertops, cabinets, doors, floors, whatever we can use it for, because it's pretty neat material. I haven't worked with it before, but I'm really looking forward to it. I think it's going to be very interesting to use inside the camper. Anyway, there you have it folks, a little sneak peek of the Foamlite material that we have for inside the camper from this company called Röchling. Thanks for watching.